When you walk around an office, if you still have to go there, of course, or a coffee house, you will often see people using an array of items to cover their webcam. It could be tape, post-it paper, folded business cards, stickers, or whatever. Obviously, none of those items came with a laptop upon purchase. And it's easy to make fun of putting something there as paranoid. The idea that someone wants to look through your particular webcam seems a bit narcissistic. As if we're leaving our house and saying, please no cameras, everybody will be like, seriously? But as absurd that people who are putting tape over their webcams can be, it's doubly absurd that it's actually kind of a good idea. And that will make you comfortable right now, or maybe not. Almost anything can be hacked. Over the years, there has been plenty of stories about webcams being hacked by those looking to spy on unsuspected people, and often people they know. In 2009, a student discovered his school-provided laptop was secretly photographing him, and many women have seen their webcams hacked, with the situation often escalated into blackmail. And now I'm pretty sure you're scared about this laptop that your company provided to you and that you're using remotely at home, right? Sorry about that. Oh, and before I forget, please do all that stuff. It will make my day. At the federal level, secret documents have shown the NSA gaining backdoor access to web cameras and some other surveillance agencies around the world doing the same. All of the spying being done without the courtesy of the webcam indicator light activating. That's really unfair. Even without the countless horrifying stories, the idea of a webcam on your laptop may seem a little bit weird to begin with. There's essentially a camera pointed to your face at all times. Not your knee, not your elbow, your face. And we bought it. We all went to a store and basically said, one camera always pointed to my face, please. Granted, we are well aware that no one is interested in looking at our faces. That was evident in high school. This threat is much worse for women and people with kids. But be aware that it's still quite rare for a webcam to be hacked. And we can feel a bit silly when dropping something over a webcam. Perhaps it's more the principle and to be mentally secure. Something that you should also consider is that many webcams are generally coming with an embedded microphone that can be also accessed by hackers. So in the end, in addition to accessing to the images your webcam records and produces, they can also hear what you do, like farting on the sofa or even worse. While we all know there are cameras everywhere, it seems somewhat natural to do what we can to prevent a few of them from looking at us. Even Mark Zuckerberg, with more information on people than the Library of Congress, puts tape over his webcam. So maybe it could be a good idea. Fortunately, along with items like gum and blankets, you can buy your webcam blocking clips that give you the option of whether you're in the mood to be spied on. More laptops should just come with them built in. Your webcam can be disabled as well, and it's often best to have an antivirus as backup. And if you can, just try to be really boring in front of it. Also, covering webcam is a practice that security professionals use. The solution can be as simple as a little piece of tape. If someone discovered a webcam vulnerability for MacBooks or other devices, you might not hear about it for a long time. What bad actors sell and make use of it, and Apple works at its own pace to patch it. Even if you think the view from your laptop or monitor is boring and benign, webcam access can be used to elevate a hacker's access or facilitate other kinds of attacks through social engineering. And now it's your turn. Let me know in the comment section below if you are covering your webcam.